So over here, you can see that I have this graphics right here. And right now, I don't see, like, let's say, for example, a lot of details. I just see the texture and the shape right here. But let's say I want to go ahead and add in a fog to see how it would look in a real scenario. So to do that, you can go around over here onto view menu right here and then enable out fog. And as you scroll out and scroll in, you can actually see how this building structure would look in a fog. If you want to go ahead and change how the fog actually looks, then what you can do is you can go around over here onto window, onto default tree. You can go around and enable fog, and this is what you see. Let me just go ahead and minimize these out right here, and you can see that you have an option to display or hide the fog, and you can go ahead and change the distance of the fog as well, just like this as well. So you can go ahead right here, you can bring it up or down right here. So this is what you have. You can go ahead right here and you can see that there's two distance of fog right here. So you can go around, work around with the far end, and here you will be able to see the gradient, as you can see right here in the fog, and this is how it would look. You can utilize the background color right here. So right now it's white, as you can see right here. So you can go ahead and then use it out. So I can go ahead and disable this out as well if I want to, or enable it out as I need as well. So this is what you have, as you can see. You can go ahead and choose another background color if you want as well. So you can go ahead right here, choose this color for the fog as well, as you can see, or you can simply use the background color so that it takes the reference for that background color. Or you can also go around and make it more like, let's say, for example, white right here, just like this, and you get a whitest fog right here. Now let me just go around over here, go more onto the yellow side, and this is what you see right here, just like this. Apart from that, you can also go ahead and then enable out shadows, and then you get detail like this, as you can see. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with fog inside of SketchUp. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.